Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys coupon inserts that are coming out this coming Sunday, so August 25th, 2019. I just Google it and this is what I find, so moolasavingmom.com. Now please keep in mind some of these inserts are different. Some of you guys might get them, some of you guys might not. It all varies. Sometimes I've said stuff that they say that we're getting and I get something totally different. But one thing I do want to say is if you guys get newspapers, always keep in mind of what you constantly keep getting repeating. Like, I know what I'm going to get and I know what I'm not going to get. So as you guys, I always see people are like, well, I never got this coupon. I never got this coupon. If you guys do see it in this preview and you know you're not going to get it, there are websites where you guys can order individual coupons so you guys can have it a lot, like the Almay and the Revlon and stuff. But I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Just kind of pay attention. If you guys are a hardcore couponer, just pay attention to what you guys get in your newspapers. Because I know what I don't get and I know what I do get. And then sometimes I get surprised and get stuff that I'm not used to. But just giving you guys a heads up. But this is moolasavingmom.com. And it looks like we'll be getting 3 inserts this Sunday. A P&G, a Smart Source, and the Retail Me Not. So I'm going to share with you guys what we're getting here. So here we got the Smart Source. I'm just going to zoom in right here. We got some Act Dry Mouth products, Blue Diamond, Cheerios, $1 off of 2, Claritin, Clairol, nice and easy. Now we're getting Colgate toothpaste, $1 off of 1, $1 off of 1, which is a good coupon. Then we're getting some CoverGirl coupons again. I feel like we get those all the time. Depends. Energizer batteries, Ensure multi-packs, General Mills, $1 off of 2. I love the $1 off of 2 General Mills coupons. For a while there, they were giving us $1 off of 3, but no, we like our $1 off of 2. Here's a great freebie that you guys can get is the Glade Plugins Warmer, but they want you guys to buy this stuff too to go with it. We're getting another Glycerna 4 off of 2 coupon. Icy Hot, Ken's Dressing. I know there is a deal on Ibotta, but I do think it ends soon. And then we get the vinaigrette. Kleenex facial tissues, 75 cents off of 3. Land O'Lakes, Pepsid. Poise, we're getting a 3 off of 1. Ragu, 60 cents off of 2. Russell Stover, Sargento, White Castle. Here is the Retail Me Not. So we are getting a all coupon for $1 off of 1. Citrusel, Country Crock, Deer Park, Dixie Plates, $1 off of 2. I like those coupons. I haven't seen those coupons in forever. I used to get them with the inserts that I get, but now I don't get them anymore. Garnier, we're getting a 4 off of 2 Garnier Fructis. That's an awesome coupon. Gasix, Hellman's Real Mayonnaise, Rice Krispie Treats. I do know there is a deal on Ibotta for this, so hopefully we can get some good deals with that. Tums. And then here is the P&G. So pretty much everybody gets the same P&G coupons except like the Downy and Tide. So my area doesn't get it. Some people get it. Some people don't. But that's when you guys want to go to clipped coupon websites to get those. But here we got Always, Cascade, Charmin, Crest mouthwash, $2 off toothpaste. That's a great coupon. Dawn Ultra, Downy, 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 Downy. Febreze, we're getting a buy one, get one free. And then there's a free Febreze plug-in scented oil warmer. So that's cool. Fixodent, Gain, Gillette, $3 off Gillette's, $2 off, $1. Head and Shoulders, 3 off of 2, 1 off of 1. Herbal Essence, BioRenew, 3 off of 2. Not the greatest, but hey. We got Love's Diapers, $1 off of 1. Mr. Clean, Olay, 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 Olay. Oral-B, $1 off of 1. Pampers, we're getting a 3 off of 2, 3 off of 2. Pantene, 5 off of 3, 1 off of 1, 2 off of 1. Prilosec Puffs, good coupon for Puffs. Tampax, $1 off of 1. And then there's 2 off of 1 Tide Pods, 2 off of 1 Tide Detergent. Tide Studios, Vaporub, Venus, Vicks, and ZzzQuil. So those are the inserts that we will be getting this Sunday. So hopefully you guys can, figure out what you guys need to get. I just want to say thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.